we are.
Here you are.
So
Here.
this is called, we are putting Gianni paint on a Marblite countertop that was blue.
Oh,
And
my-
we're listing this home and we're turning this into a granite looking counter.
oh, it's
This is
beautiful.
A Stacy and Renee's job. And Stacy's much more neat than I am. You put the black down as the bottom coat and then you sponge it, the top. So you are getting not quite the complete before because it was like a light blue Marblite.
That's beautiful.
Yeah. So, yeah.
Good
We'll
work,
show you the
ladies.
fin- This is the Decroup team. This is what we help our clients
This is
with.
what we do.
Only in special circumstances for our customers who need an extra loving hand to sell their house. This is Chase Lake. Call the Decroup team at 517-404-4270. Oh crap, I don't have any makeup on. Well, all right.